Hello. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will create a PDF invoice from scratch by adding an image and text in an empty PDF file using Zapier and PDF.co. This is how the PDF invoice will look like. You can use this as Invoice Template and auto-populate the values from your CRM or similar tools. To get started, let's choose PDF.co as the app. And the PDF filler is the action event. Let's connect our PDF.co account. We want to start from a clean slate. So, let's leave the PDF source field empty to create a new PDF. In the text objects field, let's add the X and Y coordinates, page number, text, font size, font name, and font color. We have a simple PDF viewer tool that you can use to easily set the X and Y coordinates of the text and image objects. Just open your file and click on the area you want to add the text or image in. Set a name for it and scroll up to get the coordinates. Once you have added all the text objects, let's move on to the image object and add the company logo. Enter the X and Y coordinates, page number, image URL, and image size. Now, click on the Test and Review button to see the result. Copy and paste the URL to view the invoice. The output link expires in an hour by default. We highly recommend that you add another step to save it in a permanent storage such as Google Drive. To learn more about PDF.co Web API, click on Support and Help. And check out our API docs. Explore the code samples. Try the Postman collection. Join our Facebook group. Or contact our support team. We look forward to hearing from you.